Fall Protection Lifeline.
Fall protection systems in construction work are vital safety measures. They protect workers from falling while working at height. These systems consist of secure anchors, cables or ropes, and safety harnesses. Safety regulations generally require these systems to be regularly inspected and properly maintained. Ensuring strict safety standards drastically reduces workplace accidents and injuries. The following two stories illustrate these concerns. At one construction site, there are 6 workers. The pillars and beams of the building under construction have already been completed. One of them is moving a piece of lumber across the beams of the second floor. However, these workers are not wearing safety harnesses or using safety lifelines. One wrong step could lead to a serious accident. Here is the next one. Hong, one of the workers from Vietnam, felt increasingly anxious while working atop the narrow beams, wielding a large wooden mallet. He struck the lumber with a mallet, maintaining careful balance. And he felt his heart racing with each movement. The other workers shared his concern, exchanging worried glances as they worked on the precarious heights. When a sudden gust of wind swept across the construction site, Hung lost his footing on the beam. Without a safety harness or lifeline to stop his fall, he fell from the height of the second floor. He crashed to the ground below, sustaining serious injuries that required immediate emergency medical attention. His co-workers, horrified by what they had just witnessed, rushed to help. This tragic accident was entirely preventable and should never have happened. The lack of required safety equipment had turned routine construction work into a life-threatening situation. Hung's fall served as a devastating reminder that neglecting safety measures can have catastrophic consequences for workers and their families. In summary, fall protection systems are essential safety devices on construction sites, providing both physical protection and peace of mind for workers performing dangerous tasks.